Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So before us again we have a complicated sum. Okay, it may look complicated, I can assure you, but just a few easy steps and there we have solved the sum. Okay, so ready to see how? So stay tuned, okay, for a few minutes till we are able to crack. Okay, so we have root x and root x here. So it's better to collect all the x's on one side. Okay, so this is our first step. What next? I think we should take 12 that side. Since there is a minus here, so we can put a plus here. ठीक है? And this is already a plus, so root 4. What next? We can collect these two together, so we can write easily 2 root x. Am I right? What about this? We know that this is 4 into 3, correct? And here for this we know that answer is 2 for root 4 after we square root it. 2 root x, let's copy the way it is. 4 comes out as 2. Alright, and we have 2 already there. What next? Can you think of? Yeah, I think. Yeah, you have already understood. Clever, guys. So 2 root x, 2 will keep as common and we have this. Got it? So in our next step, we'll have only this root x left here after cutting the 2's from both sides. We can do that, isn't it? From the left side and the right side. So we have this. Got it? Now if we were to take square root to the other side, we'll have x equals to root 3 plus 1 whole square. Now does this remind you of any identity? It is a plus b whole square. So which means that we can expand this. And if we expand this, it's a square plus b square plus 2ab. Alright? So root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 root 3 dot 1. X will come down. Here root 3 into root 3 is 3. 1, obviously 1 square is equal to 1 and we have 2 root 3. X again comes down and we have 4 plus 2 root 3. So we have our answer already here, but if you want to further simplify, okay, therefore x can be written as, we can pull out 2 from both these terms and we are left with 2 plus root 3. So this is our final answer, guys. So did I not say that it is not as complicated as it looks? So there are different strategies we take to make it, okay, easier to deal with. Okay, so in my next video I'm bringing something more interesting that may be a little potent for your competitive examination. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a great time ahead and take care. Bye.